this is what you're going to do, is you're going to help people when everything else has failed. You are going to be heroes. This is Hero School. Okay? A couple notes here. Whenever there's a hero, there's someone in distress or a group in distress that needs to be saved or helped. And they've tried and tried and tried and nothing's worked. Up to that point, nobody else has been able to help them or help them enough. Heroes always have to overcome something. In a story, it might be a dragon or an army or the way society thinks. Okay? The hero does this at some cost to themselves. They have to leave their place of comfort. They have to learn something, a skill. Okay? Someone out there needs you guys. Every one of you, and each one of you could help thousands. When we help a client or save a client, we help or save a family. And when you help and save a family, you help and save a community. And it just spreads out from there. When you are on a hero's journey, just like in any movie, so you have Star Wars, and there's Luke Skywalker. He didn't do any of that stuff by himself. He had Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he had Yoda to help that hero on the hero's journey so that he could do what he needed to do. The Karate Kid, little Daniel Russo, and Mr. Miyagi. So you get to be the Miyagi and the Yoda because your clients have been stuck and you're trying to help them get on their hero's journey, on their path, because they came into this world to do something. Rocky Balboa and Mickey the trainer, making him chase after chickens. Right? Rocky could not do that without his trainer to take him to a new level. And all of these heroes, they have to leave where they were, the comfort zone or home, and risk something or grow in some way. And they don't do it by themselves. They have you. Lord of the Rings. Frodo Baggins. He's reluctant to go on that hero's journey. But he does. He leaves the comfort because the mission was a worthy one. But he could not do it without Gandalf. You get to be Gandalf. King Arthur and Merlin. Right now in this room, I'm the teacher. And you are the Luke Skywalker or the Frodo. But when you leave the room, you become the wizard. You become the Mr. Miyagi. And that's the way this works. This is hero school. None of you came here to be a hero. You just wanted to help. And maybe have a new career that was more fulfilling personally or financially or fun, freedom, whatever it is. But it's more than you bargained for, and it's a good thing. And it always costs the hero. You're going to charge a client. You need to. They have to pay. I charged you. I needed to. It helps me to do the work I do, but you needed it too. You needed to be invested. On the first day of the class, I said, you guys are the investors. For every one of you that are in the class, there's 10, 15, 20, 50, 100 people that didn't see themselves as worthy of investment because they've taken all kinds of classes and it didn't go anywhere. But you said, if this class is anywhere near what it's supposed to be, it's not going to cost me nothing. It's going to be an investment because I'm not a hobbyist. I'm going to be a professional. We do that day in and day out, week after week, month after month, year after year, and we make a huge impact. You are heroes. We help when everything else has failed. Learning isn't easy. You're on your hero's journey. It's not easy, but it's worth it. 5-path is not easy, but you persevere, and then you're going to change lives over and over and over again. That's why you're really here. Okay?